I assume you've already unzipped the downloaded file. Inside the folder, we're looking for the Action file, the one with the ATN extension. Okay, first of all, we're going to load this Action file into your Photoshop Action palette. If Action palette is not visible, go to Windows tab and check it from the list. Drag and drop the file into your Action palette. Now, you see it get listed. Let's begin. Highlight the first action step, which is Starter Template. Click Play button. Starter Template has been created. Now you can place your artwork design into the template. So, let's say this is your own pre-designed artwork. Drag and drop your artwork into the Folder tab area. This will open it in a new separate workspace, allowing you to edit your layers as you like. You can do some final tweaks before transform it to 3D. Perhaps you would like to change your title text or subtitle, or swap your backdrop image. Once you're done with the edits, we are going to merge the layers and transfer the image to the starter template. So now, we are going to copy this cover into memory and paste it into the starter template. So, go to Select tab, then select All, and then to Edit tab, select Copy Merged. And we go back to our starter template. Again, go to Edit tab and Paste. Once you're satisfied with the edits, let's move on to the next step, transforming your artwork into 3D. Highlight the Render 3D action step and play. Render 3D complete. You can hide the background layer if you want your image to appear on a transparent background. You may now save the image. I'll show you how to save the image for web purpose in the next tutorial.